What's good, guys? We have the 16th of January 2026, Friday, last day of the week. We have 18 minutes till market open. I will do my pre-market now. Currently up 1 hour for the week. Let's see how we end the week. Wouldn't like to give back on the last day, to be honest. Let's see what we get. First thing I see is the LRLR here. Higher time frame is definitely bullish. If we clean that up today, I don't know. Can't really tell. First thing I see is that we have SMT at the 4 hour lows here. I mean, it does look good. It does look good for being bearish to previous day's high. Let's see what we got. Asia and London, I'm gonna be honest, that doesn't look good. I don't like it. SMT here, which would also indicate to me that we are bullish. 8:30, we didn't have news, but 8:30 manipulated into the range. Can't really tell you if it manipulated into the range, but it looked like it. Nah, that's not the best price action, to be honest. Does not look good. Anyways, let's go over the daily profiles. I see to simplify it. Let's take it for NQ. I mostly do it on NQ. Often it's different for NQ and ES because of session sweeps with SMT. NQ, I see London reversal bearish. I also see Asia low of day. And I see New York reversal, both sides. But it would make more sense if it's a New York reversal bearish, because if we break that SMT, which we made here, I would be bearish anyways, I guess. That would indicate that this isn't protected and we want lower. And I don't know, I kind of, when I see this low on the 4 hour on ES, that's kind of suspicious to me, to be honest. We also have, brutal, brutal. We also have SMTs at the high. Nah, SMT on both sides again. Me personally, can't really tell you what will happen because here we have a 4 hour swing point to trade away from to the downside. I could see the chop, but I also see the expansion, retracement, and expansion to the upside. Let's see what happens, okay? Let's leave it like that here and just see what happens. I mean, we have here we have equal lows, which is the same low as here on the S, which I find suspicious. Let's just see what happens. Can't really decide for now, to be honest. Of course, that looks like a bullish curve to me, but just because it's a bullish curve, I won't force myself to take longs here. Let's just leave it like that, and see how the day goes. Don't like the price action just from the hourly chart. That just looks not good. I mean, we inversed 1 hour here, and here we also inversed it. Let's leave it like that. See you later. One thing I just saw is, if you look at the reaction here, yesterday when New York session closed, which reason did we have to react from here? If we look at it, we didn't sweep something except for that. We just went into the 1 hour. We went to EQ of the range. But we actually also We didn't even touch that, you know? That could be a sign to trade bearish again because, as I said, from what are we reacting here? There's no reason except for the trend to go up, and let's just leave all this low resistance right here. Brutal. Really brutal. Let's see.
There's nothing below us anymore. Carved in the clouds, then sky's the floor. I've seen faces love and lose it all. What do I live for?
Okay, so I just pre-entered just because I saw ES rally and I just knew it would be good. I'm okay with that trade. In my opinion, it's A. Yeah, in my opinion, it's A. Let's see what we get. So now the 2 minute also closed. Should be good, Brad, but hopefully we don't have to go break even too fast because ES comes up. Let's see. I will go break even as soon as ES touch the 15. Lovely, lovely trade. We swept for our liquidity. Unfilled 15 is the target. 2 inverse, super good distribution. Let's see, what do we... damn, there was a 5 minute gap. But I still have faith in the setup. Damn. Yeah, I'm cutting. I will just let the trade do its thing. Could cut it, but I'll just let it do its thing. There are the last goals for today. Lovely setup. I don't have a problem with losing it. I did like it very much. And yeah, there it goes. What's good? Just came back from the gym. Just wanted to go over something real quick. Yes, I did oversee the 5 minute. I mean, it just was super tiny. I just oversaw it, but we didn't even touch it. So the trade didn't go wrong because of the 5 minute. But yeah, as I said, I will take it again. In my opinion, it's a nice trade. What's good? Don't mind if I'm a little bit slow. I'm really trying to get rid of my bad habits with not accepting a loss and taking another trade and another trade and another trade. So today I succeeded in not crashing out and keeping my pace and just being strict with my rules. Okay, let's go over it. Market opened, and one thing I closely watched was the manipulation at 9:30 with SMT. Normally, that would be a super clear sell target for me, but I also talked in a recap about the price action we had here, and I just didn't like it. I did, I did, I was thinking about this 5 inverse we had here, but it was a little bit too tiny for me, a little bit too early for me. I basically just watched the chart flush, and as you know, I talked in a recap about this 4 hour low. I thought it was very suspicious, and I wanted to see it get hit. Yeah, price basically again like yesterday ran without me. Um, but that's part of the game, right? You just have to wait and see if the market gives you an opportunity. It doesn't matter. After we swept the 4 hour low, one moment. After we swept the 4 hour low, it was right here. Here it was. Then we also need a standard deviation because I also use that. Perfect. Where are my executions? Where are they? Did I take it on NQ? Yeah, okay, I took it on NQ. So as we swept that 4-hour low, perfect. I will have it shortly. Just want to explain it in detail. Perfect. So we swept the 4-hour low I was talking about. We swept the 4-hour low, had our stop hunt, and then price gave me a perfect opportunity. It gave me the 2 inverse fair value gap. We had stop hunt, we had good distribution to the upside. We were in the 2 to 2.5 standard deviation, and we had a clean sweep. For me personally, I don't regret it. I will take it again. Setups sometimes fail. I knew we were bearish. I don't know. I didn't need to see previous day low get hit, but I wanted to force. No, I didn't want to force anything, but I pretty much just wanted to see a reaction off of it a little bit more into the unfilled 15. Yeah, basically didn't work out. Then I waited and just wanted to see if I get stop rated, because I would have taken another one if I could just stop rated. And yeah, we basically took a hold over previous day low. We have our reaction from ES while it was in the 2 to 2.5 standard deviation. Not much to say about it. Gave back my R, break-even week. Break-even week is better than a losing week, even though, I don't know, minus $50 on the week, something like that. That's basically it. I don't regret the trade. I would take it again. Yeah, wish I could have gotten a continuation lower from a 15. I think I wanted to see, yeah, I wanted to see this continuation from the 5 gap we had here. Didn't get it. That's it for today. Thank you, and really proud for myself that I didn't took another one. GG's.